In this video, I will walk you through the OneState RP new update review to see how this mobile city-like simulator holds up against previous versions. The core of this comparison centers on the freedom of the new role-playing mechanics versus the structured chaos of a typical mobile action-adventure. In this update, you can choose between upholding the law as a police officer or breaking it as a gangster, creating a direct contrast in gameplay styles. If you prefer a tactical, hero-based approach, joining the military or becoming a medic offers a disciplined experience. However, the standout feature of this new update is the depth of the criminal underground, allowing players to bridge the gap from a small-time hustler to a CEO. The trade-off is clear: play it safe in business, or risk it all in heavy urban combat. OneState RP now offers fully tunable rides, including the unique Astley Marcus Pioneer, emphasizing a car culture that rivals many standalone racing games. This side-by-side view shows that while the social interactions are casual and stylized, the immersive LA-inspired map offers a massive open world that never sleeps. Whether you are flipping real estate or escaping high-speed pursuits, the variety ensures every player finds their own path. It is a significant step up in the mobile RP space with better customization and deeper economic systems. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the current update, make sure to let me know in the comments which faction you are joining. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more roleplay content.